Okay, solutions to our second exact values quiz. So first up, cosine of 7 pi on 3. Oopsie. Oh wait. So cosine of 7 pi on 3 is, so we've got 6 pi on 3 is 2 pi. This is going to be 7 pi on 3 here. We're doing cosine, so it's going to be positive, and it's going to be the cosine of pi on 3 more than 6 pi on 3. So this is the cosine of pi on 3. And the cosine of pi on 3 is cosine 60, which is a half. Cosine of pi on 6. So pi on 6, go from 0, open up to pi on 6. That's a cosine of 30, which is obviously positive, which is going to be root 3 on 2. Okay, the sine of 240. So 240, there's 180. 240 is down here. Sine is the y value and it's negative. So what we're going to do is it's 60 more than 180. We're going to go up here and do 60 more than 0 and get that positive, negate to get the negative. So this is the same as the negative sine of 60. Sine of 60 is root 3 on 2, so it's negative root 3 on 2. Sine of 150. 150 is over here. That's 30 less than 180. It's going to be positive, so positive over here. So this is just the same as the sine of 30, which is a half. Tan of 11 pi on 6. So here's 12 pi on 6, 11 pi on 6 is pi on 6 less. It's going to hit the tangent at a negative, and it's going to be pi on 6 less. So let's go pi on 6 more than 0. So it's going to be the same as the tan of pi on 6 more than 0. All right, so the tan of pi on 6 is, which one's that? It's 1 on root 3, negative 1 on root 3. Yeah, negative this time. Yes, it is negative. Okay, cosine of 3 pi on 4. So here we are, there's 3 pi on 4, it's negative, and it's going to be pi on 4 there. That's going to be pi on 4 there. Okay, so we're going to get the negative cosine of pi on 4, and cosine of 45 is 1 on root 2, so that's negative 1 on root 2. All right, sine of negative 225, so we're going to go 180 and 45 more, which will take us there. So that's going to be 45. We're after the sine, which is positive. We're going to get 45 in the first quadrant and get that. So this is just the same as the sine of 45. And that's going to be 1 on root 2. Sine of 60, easy. That is root 3 on 2. Okay, so tan of negative 7 pi on 4. So it's either going to be 1 or negative 1 because the tan of 45 is 1. Let's just work out where we are. So this is negative 7 pi on 4. So we're going to start here, and here's 4 pi on 4, 6 pi on 4, 7 pi on 4. So this is the same as pi on 4 in this direction. So this is just the same as the tan of pi on 4. Tan of pi on 4 is equal to 1. Tan of 7 pi on 2. So here's pi on 2. This will be 3 pi on 2, 5 pi on 2, 7 pi on 2. Ends up there, and that is undefined.